Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Della. Now today we just going to take it way back and make some Italian hot dogs old-fashioned way. So we're going to start off with these organic hot dogs right here. They are grass-fed, pretty good. And we're going to use these Portuguese wheat rolls. And we're going to use the organic russet potatoes. So let's get started by cutting up these potatoes. You want to clean your potatoes, slice them in circles, then we're going to season them. Now it's time to season the potatoes. So we're going to use garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose season, black pepper, some kosher salt, and some Sazon with no MSG. So just mix all that stuff up. Make your own little potato seasoning. The black pepper is really good on potatoes. Tastes just marvelous. So now we're just going to sprinkle it all over. Then I'm going to just mix it all up. And I'm going to fry it in some corn oil. Then they nicely seasoned. I'll be frying in my favorite cast iron pans, which are the large. Great cast iron pans. You want to fry your fries until they are golden, and then you want to drain them. Ready to come out now. We just got 2 batches of potatoes. We're going to let the last batch cook up, and we're going to do our hot dogs. You can eat these potatoes by themselves as well. We're going to spray our grill. Then we're going to wait till it gets nice and hot. You want to slice an onion and a red pepper, or you can use a green pepper. And you want to start frying that on the other side of the grill. This recipe was requested by Trey Auto. Just roll them back and forth. Just roll them back and forth like this, the onion and peppers, until they get done. And I bring it back. Now this is the texture that I want. You cook yours the way you like it. The hot dogs are ready as well. You're just going to remove everything off. These potatoes are ready. Now we're about to plate it. We're going to take some ketchup, some Grey Poupon, and some mayo. And we're just going to mix that together and make a sandwich spread. Put the sandwich spread on each bread. You want to put enough to soak up all the potatoes and the hot dogs and the onions and the peppers. Now you want to add your hot dogs, your potatoes, your onions, and your peppers, and I'll bring you back when I plate it. And that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, welcome and subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves.